Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications on all things tech and content creation. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been making waves in the digital world: automated YouTube content creation with AI. In this complete guide, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your YouTube channel, save you time, and boost your creativity. So, let's get started. First off, let's understand what we mean by AI in content creation. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, and even generating content. With the rise of AI technologies, creators now have powerful tools at their fingertips to streamline their workflow. Imagine being able to automate your video script writing, video editing, and even optimizing your content for SEO. Sounds great, right? But how does it actually work? AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to understand what types of content resonate with audiences. They can help you generate ideas, write scripts, and even create visuals. The possibilities are endless. From text-based content to video production, AI is transforming how we approach content creation, making it more efficient and accessible than ever before. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI, let's talk about the benefits of using automated content creation for your YouTube channel. 1. Time efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of AI is saving time. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas or editing videos, AI tools can help you automate these processes, allowing you to focus on what you love most: creating. Imagine being able to produce more videos in less time, giving you the freedom to explore new creative avenues. 2. Consistency. AI can help maintain a consistent posting schedule. Consistency is key on platforms like YouTube, and AI can ensure you never miss a beat. By automating your content creation process, you can adhere to a regular upload schedule, keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. 3. Enhanced creativity. AI can inspire new ideas and angles for your content that you might not have thought of. Think of it as your creative partner. It can analyze trends and suggest topics that are currently popular, helping you stay relevant in a fast-paced digital landscape. 4th, SEO optimization. AI tools can analyze trends and keywords to help you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better visibility. This means your content is not only creative, but also strategically positioned to reach a wider audience. Cost-effective. With the right AI tools, you can reduce costs associated with hiring freelancers for script writing or editing. This is particularly beneficial for new creators or those on a budget, as it allows you to allocate resources more effectively. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's look at some of the best AI tools available for YouTube content creation. 1. Jarvis, Jasper. Jarvis is an AI writing assistant that can help you generate video scripts and ideas based on your niche. You can input a topic, and Jarvis will generate content that you can tweak to fit your style. It's like having a personal writing assistant who's available 24/7. 2. Synthesia. Synthesia is a groundbreaking tool that allows you to create AI-generated videos with digital avatars. This is perfect for producing engaging content without the need for cameras or studios. You can create professional-looking videos in a matter of minutes. 3-point Pictory. Pictory helps turn your scripts into videos by providing stock footage and images that match your content. It's an excellent tool for creators who want to produce visually appealing videos quickly without spending hours on video editing. 4th, Descript. Descript is an all-in-one audio and video editing tool that uses AI to transcribe your videos and allows you to edit by editing text. It's super user-friendly and saves a ton of time, making video editing less daunting for creators of all skill levels. 5. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that helps you optimize your YouTube channel. It provides keyword research, tag suggestions, and analytics to help you grow your audience. With TubeBuddy, you can ensure your videos reach their maximum potential. 6. Canva. While not strictly an AI tool, Canva has AI features that help you design thumbnails and graphics for your videos. A good thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. With its user-friendly interface, you can create stunning visuals that capture your audience's attention. Step-by-step guide to automated content creation. Step-by-step guide to automated content creation. All right, now that we've covered the tools, let's go through a step-by-step guide on how to create automated YouTube content using AI. Step 1. Ideation. Start with brainstorming ideas. You can use tools like Jarvis to generate content ideas based on trending topics in your niche, or use Google Trends to see what's hot right now. This initial step is crucial for ensuring your content is relevant and engaging. Step 2. Script writing. Once you have your idea, it's time to write the script. Input your topic into Jarvis and let it generate a first draft. You can also refine it by adding your personal touch and style. This is where your voice really shines through. Step 3. Video creation. Next, use a tool like Synthesia or Pictory to create your video. If you're using Synthesia, you can choose a digital avatar and let it read your script. For Pictory, simply upload your script, and it will create a video with relevant visuals. This step is where your ideas come to life. Step 4. Editing now. It's time to edit your video. Use Descript to make cuts, add music, and polish your video. Its text-based editing makes it incredibly intuitive, allowing you to focus on the content rather than getting bogged down by technicalities. Step 5. Thumbnail and graphics design. Eye-catching thumbnails using Canva. Remember, a good thumbnail can make or break your video's success. It's the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Step 6. SEO optimization. Before uploading, use TubeBuddy to optimize your title, description, and tags. Input relevant keywords to help your video rank higher in search results. This is essential for ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Step 7. Upload and promote. Finally, upload your video to YouTube and share it across your social media platforms. Engage with your audience through comments and encourage them to like and subscribe. Building a community around your content is vital for long-term success. Now that you know the steps, here are some tips to ensure your success with automated YouTube content creation. 1. Stay authentic. While AI can help you generate content, it's essential to maintain your unique voice. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. Your personality is what makes your content relatable and engaging. 2. Experiment and adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content and formats. Use AI analytics tools to see what works best for your audience and adapt accordingly. The digital landscape is ever-changing, so flexibility is key. 3. Keep learning. The world of AI is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest tools and technologies to keep your content fresh and engaging. Subscribe to newsletters, join online forums, and participate in webinars to stay ahead of the curve. 4th, engage with your audience. Use AI to analyze audience feedback and comments. Engaging with your viewers can help you create content that resonates with them. Remember, building a community is as important as creating great content. 5. Balance automation with personal touch. While automation is fantastic for efficiency, make sure to add a personal touch to your videos. This could be through storytelling, humor, or sharing personal experiences. Your audience will appreciate the authenticity. So, what does the future hold for AI in YouTube content creation? As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated tools that will make content creation easier and more efficient. We might see more personalized content recommendations powered by AI, allowing creators to connect with their audiences on a deeper level. Additionally, advancements in deep learning could lead to more realistic AI-generated videos and avatars, pushing the boundaries of creativity. The key takeaway? Embrace the technology, but always remember the importance of human connection and creativity. Thanks for joining us today on this journey through automated YouTube content creation with AI. We hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to incorporate these tools into your own content creation process. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on content creation and technology. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.